Watch how our gold landscaping professionals completely revised struggling lawn from the ground up. We detach all the way down to bare soil, removed every layer of dead grass, overseeded with premium seeds, applied fertilizer, and top drafted peat moss, giving the lawn a full fresh start. This is what a real lawn restoration looks like. No shortcuts, just results. Like and subscribe for more transformation like this. Call us at 781-444-3900. Estimate at goldlandscapingma.com. See all of our services, Gold Landscaping, Boston Tree Company, and Rainmasters.